secondly. Because I didn't listen. All I'm doing is telling you to leave me alone. Good evening. Yeah.
Queenie.
Okay.
You know what's happening?
Now you got your family.
Yes, I know.
Now you got your Sharika family. Who may accept?
Just give me a sec.
Just in our little mood, you know? And it's working because everybody ever go through grief at some point in time, whether it's you or someone who you know that's close or, you know.
One thing I don't like saying dirty, you know that, Roland.
Yeah. Oh, no, sir. I would have somebody named WOJH Cooks. Man, they're not chatting with sight language. They're not chatting with language.
Well, you can chat me with language, but my lady is on my phone with everybody one chat. And by the way, you know that we kind of screwed up with my lady a couple of times, but my Jay don't know me.
Where have you been, though, fam?
But they're burning out my battery life. You know that they're burning out my battery life, and if I get upset, they would think that the Indian is mad. Well, that really and truly, you know, them want my phone back.
So where my yeah.
Oh, since you're up on the phone, Jay?
But don't kiss me.
Too late, me don't kiss you, girl.
I'm gonna feel like mash too.
It's a little much, eh? See what I'm saying? All of that. It's this guy here. He still can't pick up the phone.
It's so long him take to pick up the one phone.
You know?
Jay, the phone slipped.
Yeah, why? When I come off our life, I come check it if I can't find you.
If
you feel like kid.
That's all I
come. Like to blank everything. Now you wicked, you know that.
I mean, I call him them. You want Mash come and leave, Mash?
Hey, Dad, you know that. Big and serious.
Mash is a problem. But bring him same here. All right.
Tell him Roland.
Remember, Mom?
Tell him Roland there. Roland want to say hi. Say hi to him then.
I think because.
And then we're going to phone roll Colonel and we'll rob every.
We're not going to name them.
Right, share it to this video.
Because you're going to name food. So we are going to call Rob for food.
Jamie, don't give you a thing.
Yeah, we soon come anyway.
And we soon come. I got lucky. Oh, man, hang on the phone before you say anything.
What's my say? I said! From a new Bedford here. Sandy and Brown TV, good evening. Sandy, make sure I come at Jamaica early for the my ear. You in trouble, baby, just black here.
At the end of the day, bro, I'm not obligated to nothing. You know what I mean?
May I charge a bar?
So, because
you ever know nothing more about this subject?
I'll tell you plain straight, I spent my money 2015. I showed my sister Diane and Ramon and everything. Take them to Guyana and show them a Betsy girl, you know, that in Kanji. And show them exactly where my grandmother turned and tell me, Mahesh, a man and woman can strip you naked and take everything off you, but it can never take your knowledge. And your knowledge is the only thing that shall rebuild you. And I'm going through that. I spent money in 2015 and showed that to my family. So,
yeah, okay. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You hear what Indian say? Them can't rob you. Them can't take the eyeglass. Them can't take the whole ass ear. Them can't take your jacket. Suit. Them can't take everything, but they can't take your knowledge. It seems different. It's true. Good argument, Mash.
I spend money for that shit.
Oh, Mash, come back.
I spend money and paying for that to show that. Because I got two sisters and I packed them.
Mash, you're on probation.
Yeah. Oh, I'm on probation?
Yeah, Mash, yeah.
Oh, freaking hell. Wow. Oh, that's why I have the judge.
Mash, I don't want you to speak to my right grade. Yeah? We don't. When I said no mash, you know, mash, that's a loving mash extra. I remember seafood now, mash extra loving. Maybe so that I said mash take time. Mash take time with created glasses. Fucking hell, freaking hell, probation. That's a probation. Yeah, somebody just asked.
Mine for you.
We love him. He's on probation.
Let me like that properly.
Mash enough. Yeah, enough for truth. Add my auntie.
No.
We're talking about mash. May I tell you this? Make we hear when I say about mash. Come, puppy. Tell you, may I call. Well, anybody want me puppy, really? Because I never tell a puppy them to run, you know. A beer dog I follow back a bit to, hey, Mr. Ryan crazy, that much.
Mash,
Mash, can I speak, Mash? Jesus Christ. Well, I talk to your brother, man. Jesus Christ. No, sir. Be quiet. No,
when sir. Be quiet. She got to tell him, get one thing, kick them fast. Oh, shh. All right, then I'm going to stop him by my slip. Oh, that's very nice.
Be quiet. Mr. Ryan crazies. Mr. You know why I can't tell on TikTok? Man. Because I last said I'm there, it's on WhatsApp, I'm tolerate over here. Mr. Man call up on phone and see face and it's a wine face. I'm in the part. Yeah, go there. My leg like a sore foot. My broke out. I said, this man, man said to me, say, Queenie, every time you go to Jamaica, I'm vex. I said, why? The man said, the jail, all of that light so good. But just I listen to beer, man, no, I don't want not. Man.
Apparently, she have a whole heap of money and she don't want man, but man, I know where she started the dating business and them things when I call up people. What dating business you there on my yard? And that what me want for you
Mash,
to
can you leave me, Mash?
Come on, Jay.
Don't.
Jay, I had the phone and drop.
Don't just leave me, Mash. Leave me now, Mash. Mash, you have to get your far now, Mash. I'm a clap, man.
So where's am I getting in trouble, Jay? Where's am I getting in trouble?
The night before the next time. That's it,
Oh, no.
I mean, it's a straightforward man. Go, man. Look at it.
Jay abandoned. Jay only say, yeah?
Listen.
But Jay, tell her how you beat us up, though. By the way, Jay beat us up, you know that. Jay always up. Jay, you beat us up.
Not really,
no. If I phone on you right now, where's my phone?
Listen, America, I tell you, don't come back.
No, but you beat us up, Jay. You beat us up on that day, Jay. And we banned from that thing, Jay.
Listen.
Yeah, right. Yeah, Jay, right. No, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, remember when she beat us up?
Yes. Yeah.
Don't use my phone.
You have no manners?
I.
Oh my God, that's crazy, though. Masha, what you doing?
Huh?
I know what it is.
Same thing. The same thing we do everybody. Same thing, you know that.
Remember I told you the other day? What did you do?
Same thing we do.
Listen.
You know that. The same thing
hello,
we do.
only Alpha, love you, only Alpha. Then ask Masha question, you know. Masha, he might get asked on chariots. He might make me wear the Cinderella shoes. He might put diamond pearls around my neck. He might give me cat's eye, and he might give me all these dreams. I mean, I ask Masha, you know. But the band like Masha to me say, Jay, when you coming back, my lady, tomorrow? Say, when me hear myself up, I'm beat him up over my life, you know. End the life. Call Mash. I say, Mash, don't run with me. Why you there on live and ask when me I come on? Then him go, Jay, I'm coming at the airport and this and that. If the family reach the airport, nobody know why you're a fight, Mash. Me ring Mash from the up in the ear. Me ring Mash. All right. 12 o'clock, me ring Mash. All right. 3 o'clock, me ring Mash. Not a mash. This is children not come on. I see chicken dash. 8 o'clock, Mash ring me. Jay, where are you? I'm in west or east or north or south. I don't remember. I'm coming. Me ring Mash. Remember that's a children. Me ring Mash. You see when they used to do it. I used to do it the kind of time went so far.
Yes.
Me ring Mash.
No, yesterday I told you.
The Mash, yeah, yesterday I told you. The Mash, to my dad, I am not going to ring Mash again, and I'm not going to be Mash friend. Because I am not taking Mash in 2024, because Mash build up my hopes in front of my face, and then when him turn him back, no matter how I ring him, now answer, and it's rude. You can't be so loyal to me as your lady. And everyone is saying that me, you must marry it, and we're match. All I want to say. Yeah. And then, when you put your cock in something else, you remember me, that's rude. When I look at Mash, you understand me? Me, you're bestie.
Yeah, 2 times.
And it's rude. All right, wait. Remember, you know, this is...
By the way, 2 times engagement, yeah?
This is Tuesday. Mash, can I speak? This is Tuesday. I just come from Jamaica, Mash. That's my birthday. All the I keep trying to everything when Mash say I'm going to do. I don't hold against him now when him call it. Mash, me do. Remember, all the time I was in the grass. Tuesday when we reach that chicken, that's me. Me not sick, man. Thursday, no, don't go so far screening. Wednesday, me not hear from my chicken at the evening, Mash come. And him say, man, go over. I say, I don't mash whatever. Mr. Mash, him say, I go eat. Mr. Mash, me know you have to trick me. So I better come back because I have an early morning mission. Listen, alright, crazies. I have an early morning mission. If you know you can't come with me, Mash, do it. Yes, my lady. And I'm going to give you 3 apples this time. And you're going to get 2 by diamond rings. And I will give you a 1 for you to spin. And give her all of the night books. You see some Mash left. It's a Wednesday now. Wednesday night now, no? May I test him now, no? When I reach yesterday party tonight.
Okay.
Ring Mash.